Today, I'll be making sushi rice, a perfectly seasoned Japanese rice for all kinds of sushi.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
A good sushi rice is a key to make delicious sushi, whether it's nigiri sushi or hand-roll sushi. In this video, I'll also share how to properly rinse and cook the Japanese rice.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
When you make sushi, you must use Japanese short grain white rice for the optimal texture and flavor. For this recipe, I'm using 3 rice cooker cups or 2 1/4 cups of rice. Overfill a rice cooker cup and level it off for proper measurement. To rinse rice, add just enough water to submerge all the rice, then discard the water immediately. Rice absorbs water very quickly when you start rinsing, so this step helps remove impurities from the rice. It prevents the rice from absorbing the first few runs of milky water. Use your fingers to gently agitate the wet rice grains in a circular motion for 10 to 15 seconds. Add water and immediately discard the cloudy water. Repeat washing and rinsing the rice until the water is almost clear. Use a sieve and drain the rice. Shake off any excess water. Put the drained rice in the inner pot of the rice cooker and add 540 ml of water. For sushi rice, the ratio of rice to water is 1:1 by volume, less water compared to making regular steamed rice. This is to account for the seasoned sushi vinegar that we will add later. Evenly distribute the rice and place the kombu on top. Let the rice soak in water for 20 to 30 minutes, then start cooking. To make sushi vinegar, combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a microwave-safe bowl. Mix the mixture with a whisk. Microwave for 1 minute or until the sugar has dissolved. Mix again and set aside to let it cool. If you're using a wooden tub called sushioke or hangiri, moisten it by running water over it, drain, and dry it with a clean towel. When the rice is cooked, discard the used kombu and transfer the cooked rice into the sushioke. Spread out the rice evenly so it will cool faster. The wood of sushioke helps absorb excess moisture from the sushi rice. If you make sushi often, I recommend getting a sushioke. While the rice is still hot, pour the sushi vinegar over it. With a rice paddle, gently slice the rice at a 45-degree angle to incorporate the sushi vinegar while cooling the rice with a fan. Fanning takes away the excess moisture and makes the rice shine. Using this slicing motion, separate the chunks of rice and gently flip the rice between slices. Do not stir or mix the rice because the grains may break and it will become mushy. When the rice is cooled to the temperature of human skin, your sushi rice is ready. Make sure to keep the rice covered with a damp towel at the room temperature. いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!